Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin also comes closer and closer to the targets here, and you know, we are now, it has done now what it needs to do, the minimum, yeah, because what you want, or what we wanted, was at the very least that this wave down here goes below this low, and it has done that today. Yeah, so that is theoretically everything a wave 5 needs to do. Plus, ideally, we should see 5 waves. Now, okay, on the lower time frame, sometimes that's a bit unreliable. Now we can already count 5 waves. This would, however, only be valid in an ending diagonal situation. Is normally not the primary expectation, such a diagonal, so we need to keep an open mind that this still drops further. In fact, at the moment, I would expect further lows, just because we haven't reached the target yet, really. I mean, we calculated that all in previous videos, what is actually the key target for this 5th wave, where we're just subdividing into subwaves, yeah? What is the key target? And we've defined this area between 21,350 pretty much, and, 21,350 and 20,870, plus minus a few dollars, but this is where we should end this 5th wave in an ideal case. Now, then theoretically, Bitcoin could still come down to 20K. I don't see it at the moment that it comes down that low, but it ideally drops a little lower. Now, bear in mind, it doesn't need to. So what does that mean for your strategy? Well, for me, it's like, you know, I started to scale into Ethereum and a couple of altcoins today to trade that 5th wave. It means that I do expect many coins to bottom in this current range. Bitcoin hasn't reached target yet, that's why I wouldn't touch it yet. But the coins that have reached target, or the support areas with favorable reward to risk ratios, I'm interested in. If Bitcoin gets into the target range, I'm also going to be interested in it again, and it might very well do that. Okay, so if I say I expect it to bottom in this range, it means it hasn't bottomed yet, but it means we need to be watching. Yeah, so keep watching. I think we need to be ready. I mean, what we see here, and I showed you that in the Ethereum video, we might start to see here a descending wedge. You typically see this towards the end of such a downtrend in a so-called ending diagonal situation, a descending wedge. It's a bullish reversal pattern. Let's see if it actually will play out. We certainly have enough touch points here. And we also see, whenever you see that, you're pretty sure that you see a divergence, bullish divergence. For example, let's go to the 30-minute chart. On the relative strength index, yes, we made a new low on the price chart, a higher low on the RSI. Now, it's not a significant bullish divergence yet, but we don't see one on the 1 hour, by the way. But it's still something worth noting that the downtrend, in my opinion, might be slowing down. But hey, you know, as I said, this can still go down to 20K. Without a reversal signal, it can still go down further. It's just that now, as we've hit the support area, well, we haven't really, but we've made a low below the wave 3 low, the likelihood just increases that this move down could be finished, especially as Ethereum is already, let's say, fairly deep in the support area, and some other coins as well. Now then, some other coins haven't even reached the targets yet. So it's a bit of a mix at the moment, but we'll see. You know, some might never reach their targets, and then it's just important, I think, to focus on the ones that show the pattern that we want to see, because it is then more reliable. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be interesting. Tomorrow, CPI data, that will be highly interesting as well. So we will see a lot of volatility tomorrow. It's quite good that Bitcoin still has a lot of space to 20K, because below 20K, that's, by the way, 6.5% away. Below 20K, it would morph into a different scenario. I said it in the last video, don't be surprised if we might get a wick to here, maybe the 200-day moving average. If it recovers quite quickly, it would not count as a sustained break of the support area for the wave 4. But it's quite good, it has a lot of space still, because it increases the likelihood that this scenario will hold, and that if we can get a wave 5, we might rally to around 28K. So that's sort of the update I can give you at the moment about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.